What's up, guys? We're here at Old School Harley Davidson, our local Harley dealer. We're about to give you a closer look at the new Gunslinger Arctic Blast Harley Davidson exclusive paint. But before we do, smash that subscribe button and maybe a like on this video as well. What's up, guys? I'm here with Sean from Old School Harley Davidson in Ellington, Connecticut. We're looking at the 2021 Arctic Blast paint scheme by Gunslinger. Harley just released it. This is a numbered paint series. This is what, 160 out of 500. You want to tell us what's a little bit different about this one?
This is a crazy limited, so it's 500 total numbered. This is the only one we'll see here. There's a lot of dealers in the country that are not even going to see one. So a little bit of differences on this. It is a street glide special, so it has everything that a street glide special would have. So you have all your new features like your new center console, 114 Milwaukee 8 with the high flow air cleaner, chopped engine guard. You do get the LED Daymaker headlight. What's unique to this one is it's got a color match painted inner fairing to match the paint set. And it's also got the CVO style color matched oil cooler cover, little spoiler on the bottom. And it's the only street glide special that you'll see out there that has factory flat bottom bags. Seems to be kind of the new trend. So super limited, gorgeous in person. This pearl white is amazing. So
This one's available for sale right now.
absolutely, if you want it, you better hurry down here and get it because it's the only one we'll see.